Difference between the addition and subtraction of polynomials and multiplication of the polynomials. Here you can see the monomials. 7x is one monomial, 3x is one monomial. Whether it's a monomial, binomial or trinomial, all come under polynomials. So 7x plus 3x is 21x. Minus 7x plus 3x. One negative and one positive. You get a negative number. And here one negative, one positive, you have to subtract and write the sign of a bigger number. In these two, 7 is big. So what is the sign of the 7? Negative sign. So we wrote negative sign. In the same way, 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x. One positive, one negative, subtract and write the sign of a bigger number. In this 7x and 3x, 7 is big and its sign is positive. So it is 4x. 4x means plus 4x. Minus 7x minus 3x is equal to minus 10x. Both are negative. So we add and you get a negative number. 7x into 3x. 7 3s are 21. We have to multiply the coefficient. This is coefficient. 7 and 3. Then you will multiply the variables. X into x is x square. Then minus into plus is minus. Here plus sign is not indicated, but it is understood that 3x means plus 3x. So minus into plus is minus. 7 3s are 21. X into x is x square. X into x, that means x to the power of 1 into x to the power of 1. This is equal to x to the power of 1 plus 1. That is equal to x square. This is how we use the law of exponent in multiplication of polynomials. Plus into minus, minus. 7 3s 21. X into x, x square. Minus into minus, plus. 7 3s 21. 21 x square. Exercise 9.4. Multiply the binomials. This is one binomial. What is a binomial? An algebraic expression with two terms is called a binomial. And this is another binomial. So we multiply. In this exercise, we multiply the binomials. Y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So this is one binomial, this is another binomial. So we have to multiply like this. First we take the first, this is the first term and this is the second term of the first algebraic expression. So we take the first term of the first algebraic expression, multiply the second algebraic expression. So see here, y into 3y minus 4. Y into 3y is 3y square. Plus into minus, minus. Y into 4. We won't write it as y4, we write it as 4y. So y into 3y minus 4 is 3y square minus 4y. Now take the second term of the first algebraic expression, multiply the second algebraic expression. So this is the second term of the first algebraic expression. So minus 8 into 3y minus 4. 8 3s are 24. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 24y. Minus into minus is plus. 8 4s are 32. So minus 24y minus 24y plus 32. Now after the multiplication we have to simplify. So what we have to do? We have to add and subtract the like terms. So 3y square. Here these are like terms. Minus 4y minus 24y. Both are negative. So we add and answer is also negative. So minus 4, 4y minus 24y is minus 28y plus 32. Third one. 2.5L minus 0.5M into 2.5L plus 0.5M. So this is was first algebraic expression, this is second algebraic expression. So take the first term of the first algebraic expression, multiply the second algebraic expression. So 2.5L into 2.5. So first we multiply 2.5 into 2.5. 25 25s are 625. 2.5 into 2.5. 25 25s are 625. So here after decimal point one number, after decimal point one number. 1 plus 1 2. So after two numbers you have to keep the decimal point. So 2.5L into 2.5L is equal to, so 25 25s are here, 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25. L into L is L square. So 2.5L into 2.5L is 6.25 L square. Now multiply this number. 25L into 0.5M. 25 5s are 125. So here after decimal point one number, after decimal point one number. The point will move after two numbers. So 25 20 plus, here it is plus 25 25 is a 125. Point moves after two numbers. You have to keep the point after two numbers. L into M is LM. Now take this second term of this expression, that is the first algebraic expression, multiply the second algebraic expression. Minus into plus is minus. 5 into 25 is 125. So it is 1 point. So it is 0.5 into 2.5, that is equal to 1.25. M into L is ML. So we won't write it as ML, we write it as LM. Minus into, now we have to multiply minus 0.5M plus 0.5M. Minus into plus is minus. 5 5s are 25. So it is 0.25. So 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25. M into M is M square. Now we have to simplify. That is, we have to add and subtract the like terms. 6.25 L square plus 1.25 Lm minus 1.25 Lm gets cancelled. Minus 0.25 M square. Three by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4 into a square minus 2 by 3b square. First we have to multiply this. So write this as it is. 4 into a square, 4a square minus 4 into minus 2 by 3 is equal to 4 2s are 8, plus into minus is minus. So it is minus 8 by 3. So it is minus 8 by 3 b square. Now we multiply. So 3 by 4 a square into 4a square plus 3 by 4 a square, or directly we can write here plus into minus is minus. So we can write here as minus, then 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. Now we take 3b square, multiply this second algebraic expression. So plus into plus is plus. 3b square into 4a square. Plus into minus, minus. So 3b square into 8 by 3b square. Now 4 ones, they get cancelled in 4 table. 4 ones, 4 twos. So we have to cancel like this. 3 ones, 3 ones. 3 ones, 3 ones. Now, what is remaining here? 3a square into a square. That is equal to 3. A square into a square is a to the power of 4. According to the law of exponent, we add the powers. When you multiply this, now it is 3a to the power of 4. Now, here what is remaining? A square, b square. A square into b square. It is minus. Minus a square. Here 4 ones 4 2. So it is minus 2a square b square. 3 4s are 12. B square a square or a square b square, both are same. So we write it as plus 12 a square b square. Now what is remaining here? It is minus b square into 8b square. So minus into here it is minus. So already minus is given. B square into here we have 8. Minus into plus is minus. B square into b square is b to the power of 4. So it is minus 8b to the power of 4. Now we add and subtract the like terms. 3a to the power of 4. These two are like terms. So we add and subtract these like terms. So plus 12, this is minus 2. 1 negative, 1 positive, subtract. 12 minus 2 is 10. So it is plus 10 a square b square minus 8b to the power of 4. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 into x is 5x minus 2 into 3 is 2 3s are 6. So minus 2x into 3 is equal to minus into plus is minus 3 2s are 6. It is 6x. So 6x minus into plus is minus 2x. It is minus 2x into x. Minus into plus is minus 2. X into x is x square. So it is minus 2x square. So this is equal to 15. Here both are like terms. So one positive, one negative we subtract. Take the sign of a bigger number. So it is minus x minus 2x square. Now see the fourth sum. This is equal to p square into 2p is 2p cube plus p square into q is p square cube. Then minus q square into 2p is equal to minus 2p q square. So it is minus 2p q square. Minus into plus is minus. Q square into q is q cube. So this is the answer. 2p cube plus p square cube minus 2p q square minus q cube. Next sum, third sum. This is simplified. X square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So first we multiply these two. So x square into x is x cube. X square into 5 is 5x square. We won't write it as x square 5. We won't write like this. This is wrong. We write it as 5x square. Then here we multiplied these two. Now we take minus 5, multiply this. Minus into plus is minus. So minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 5 into 5 is 5 5s are 25. Minus into plus is minus. So it is minus 25. So plus here you had 25. That also you should write. Now look at this. This is when we multiplied x square minus 5 into x plus 5, we got this algebraic expression. That is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25. but still you have 25 here, so that we wrote here. If you observe here, minus 25 plus 25, they both get cancelled. So what is remaining, we write. So this is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. X into x square is x cube, plus into minus minus. X into xy is equal to x into x is x square y. So it is minus x square y. X into y square is x y square. Now take this y, multiply this algebraic expression. Y into x square is x square y. You won't write it as yx square. Always we write x first, then we write y. So we write it as x square y. Plus into minus minus. So y into minus xy is equal to, plus into minus is minus, x, y into y is y square. So it is minus x y square. So plus into plus is plus, y into y square is y cube. So x into x square is x cube, x into minus xy is minus x square y, plus x into y square is xy square, y into x square y is x square y into minus xy is minus xy square, y into y square is y cube. Now add and subtract the like terms. So x cube, this is minus x square y plus x square y, both get cancelled. This is plus xy square minus xy square, both get cancelled, plus y cube. Now look at this sum. 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. First, we have to simplify this. That is, we have to simplify this. Then, finally, we add and subtract along with this if they have like terms. So, first we simplify this. So, this we write as it is. 1.5x minus 4y. So it is 15 15s are 225. 1.5x into 1.5x. 15 15s are 225. So point moves 2 after 2 numbers. X into x is x square. So 1.5x into 1.5x. 215 15s are 225. Point moves 2 places. So it's 2.25. X into x is x square. So it is 2.25 x square. Next, 1.5x into 4y. 15 fours are 60. Point moves 1 place to the left. So it becomes 6.0 xy. So that is 6 xy. So after decimal point 0 has no value, it becomes 6 xy. So it is plus 6 xy. 15 3s are 45 and point moves 1, it is 1.5x into 3 is equal to 15 3s are 45. So 4.5x. So it is 4.5x. Next, take minus 4y and multiply them. Minus into plus is minus. 15 fours are 60. As I told you just now, it becomes 6xy. Then minus 4 minus into plus is minus. So minus 4y into 4y is equal to minus 16y square. So 4s are 16, y into y is y square. So it is minus 16y square. Minus into plus is minus. 4 3s are 12. So it is 12y. Minus 4.5x plus 12y. So now we remove the brackets. It is 2.25 x square plus 6xy plus 4.5x minus 6xy minus 16y square minus 12y minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now we add and subtract the like terms. Here 2.25 x square. Here plus 6xy minus 6xy gets cancelled. Plus 4.5x minus 4.5x gets cancelled. So what is remaining we write. And what else here it is remaining. See here minus 12y plus 12y gets cancelled. So only minus 16y square is remaining. So minus 16y square. Now eighth sum, a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. So a into a is a square, a into b is ab, plus into minus is minus, a into c is ac. B into a, we won't write it as ba, we write it as ab. B into b, b square, plus into minus is minus, b into c is bc. C into A is, we won't write it as CA, we can write it as AC. C into B is BC. Plus into minus is minus. C into C is C square. Now add and subtract the like terms. Plus AB, A square. Here AB plus AB is 2AB. Then here minus AC plus AC they get cancelled. Plus BC minus BC they get cancelled. Then what else is remaining? Plus B square minus C square. We can write it as A square plus B square minus C square plus 2AB. Now we see what is meant by identity. Identity, an equality true for every value for the variable in it, is called an identity. Note, an equation is true for only certain values of the variables in it. It is not true for all values of the variable. And these are the standard identities. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So what is an identity? An equality true for every value of the variable in it is called an identity. So this is the equality. This is the equality, and this equality, so for example, if you take LHS a plus b whole square and this is RHS a square plus 2ab plus b square, you substitute any values, the answer will be the same. So an equality true for every value of the variable in it is called an identity. These are the standard identities. There is one more identity that we will see in the next class.